All right, Josh. What do you have here?
Iron Man.
Yep. What's that on your face?
Goggles.
What do you like best about them?
They're crocodile kind.
Yeah, you look like a reptile. What's on your lap?
A jump rope.
Do you like to jump rope?
Yeah.
Yeah. Avery. What do you have, Avery?
Kitty cat Julie and kitty cat and goggles.
What kind of goggles?
A kitty cat.
Kitty cat goggles. What do you like best?
Yeah. What do you like best? This.
The kitty cat? Yeah. So what do you want to tell Aunt Diane and Uncle Rich?
Yeah. What do you want to tell them?
What do you want to tell them?
I want to tell them thank you for the present. I like it a lot.
Cool. How about you, Avery? Do you want to say thank you?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to say anything.
Oh, really? Well, you need to say thank you.
Say thank
Just say
you.
thank you.
Say thank you. Just say thank you. And I'll just get a video of them.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Anyway, thank you. Because she won't say it.
Can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Get a wave. Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Kiss.